What is dental floss? Dental floss is a special tool, a thin thread generally made of plastic and nylon used to remove food and dental plaque from between teeth in areas a toothbrush is unable to reach. Use of floss commonly in prevent of gingivitis and plaque. Dental floss technique. Take about 18 inches of floss and wind around the middle finger of both hands 3 times. Hold floss tightly between middle finger and thumb. Guide the floss between teeth using a gentle rubbing motion. C-shaped motion. When the floss reaches gum line, turn it into C-shaped against one tooth. Upon cleaning each content, the dirty floss should be wound around finger and remaining clean portion to be used. Rules. Don't forget to apply. Always keep the pressure of your floss against your teeth, never apply pressure up and the gums, rinse mouth afterward. Thanks for watching.